So today we've got a customer's repair, which is a Midland Allen 48 Plus multi. I don't think we've done an on-the-air test to one of these before, so we may as well do it with the customer's repair. This is the orange display one, so it's a few years old. That looks like Mr Chippie in the car. Tango 21 Mr Chippie. Yep, loud and clear. So he's in the car park here at Tango Towers, and as ever he's going to go 7 to 8 miles up the road, the wrong side of a hill.
I'm making my way up the lane.
Roger, got you going up the lane. So quite a full featured set. This particular radio it came in with two little snags. Just noticed straight away distress capacitor. So I think it's had 24 volts on it somehow, just for a moment, even if it was before the person owned it. So did the capacitor, but that was a red herring because the real fault was a dry joint in the VCO, and that was under 2 screen plates. So we've gone down through that meticulously. With some good light and a high power magnifier to look for the dry joints in that area. So it's been on soak test now for about 4 days and it's been faultless. So we'll do this test and mail it back to the customer.
Just passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you. Ancaster service station. I noticed it came in only doing 3 watts, so it's doing 4 watts now, and as ever the deviation was pretty low. Receive can't really improve on that. Not as sensitive as some of the older sets, but it should be okay. Got you at Ancaster Crossroads. So at the moment he's driving up to the top of the hill. There's a quarry at the top of the hill. Then he'll go over the top of the hill and down into the village of Wilsford, which is a notorious radio black spot. Even your car radio drops out on main stations.
Top of the hill before we go down into Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Now I haven't adjusted the squelch, so we'll keep an eye on the display, because if I suddenly see the display go up and no voice, it's time to turn the squelch down. Roger, got you at Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. That surprised me, he came through the squelch, so must be more sensitive on the squelch than I thought. So as he comes out the village, the next thing, he'll be about 2.5 miles away, and he goes over a level crossing. So that's our next little test point. And the road cuts through rock that's been removed many years ago. So not only is he the wrong side of the hill, he's kind of in a cutting as well, so that's why we choose this route. Tango 21 got you at Wilsford level crossing. So that's a 2.5 mile point. So his next call in will be 3 miles, which will be the Kelby turn off. If we did these tests in the other direction, he'd end up having to drive about 30 miles away to get the same results. And that's why we do it in a position where it's difficult for radio. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Let's pop that squelch down now. I reckon that's as low as we can get it. Roger, got you for the turning for Greyleys. So that's now the 5.5, 6 mile point. So his final call should be level crossing at Rawsby, if we make it the full 7 miles. Then he'll go towards Sleaford another half mile, turn round on the roundabout, and hopefully come back. Roger, got you at Rawsby level crossing, which concludes the test. So yes, I've got you loud and clear all the way. Well, that certainly worked alright. That's done the full 7 mile route. So there you have it, high-end model, and it's the Midland 48 Plus Multi. Thank you for watching.